Hi guys, so we're still trying to get to the bottom of the quietest keyboards. So here today we have a Topre Silent UBS model, a Filco Silent S, and to give a comparison, that is the Filco standard reds with the skull Kobo. Looks nice. So we've put a sound reading machine, reads decibels, up on that laptop stand, and we're placing the keyboards here on a mat. I'm using the mat just to help me locate them, just to show that they're all in the same position. You can see the decibels there. If I go quiet a sec, we're looking at background down below 35, and then I can slap the desk, it's going up to around 70. So on the Topre, I'll just gently tap the space bar. That was Hells coming back from the loo, by the way. She's very quiet in the toilet. Okay, let's get back to the space bar. So gently tapping the space bars, coming below 45. That's on the main section. So typing gently on the Topre, we're coming in at about 40 to 45. Now let's get a bit more violent with it. Still not bad, topping out around 50. So now I'm going to really just mash it like I'm killing monsters. And there we're making it go above 60. Only briefly, mostly on the spacebar. I'm going to do that again. Okay, I think that gives us a good idea about the Topre. So moving on. This one is a 10 keyless. I don't think it makes a difference. To be honest, this one was near my desk and I didn't have to go and fetch it from the stores. So apologies for that. Lovely keyboard. There's the old part number. Now, interestingly, this is UK ISO. You won't be getting that from Topre, I don't think. So let's have a look. If I go quiet, it takes time for this thing to settle. There we are. So now I'll go quiet again, then I'll do some gentle typing on this. One-handed, not really typing. It's not even plugged in. Okay, so we're just coming up 40s, 42s. That was plenty of spacebar use there. I'll just do the spacebar because I'm really impressed with this spacebar. And the enter. This is medium hitting this. This is probably harder than I normally type. So that was all space, enter and right shift. It's so hard to draw any real conclusions from this. Notice a tiny bit of ping on this. On the single keys. Filco famous for a bit of ping. It happens on all Cherry MX key switches. If you get close enough to them, you can hear it going on. But Filco, because it's such a solid case and it's also rigid, it brings that noise forward a bit and you hear it more. So now let's go medium hitting on the Filco. And let's go large. This is me, really angry, killing monsters, strafing the works. So what did we see there? I'll have to run the video again later. I think I glanced at 50s, 55s maybe. So it's close. I'm not really noticing a lot of difference here. Let's grab Scully. So quick sales pitch, guys. We got these. Same price as a standard Ninja model. This is a Ninja model. We've put the skulls on for free, basically, the cover. And isn't that great? I love this thing. That is just so cool. It is luminous as well, so turn the lights out, still see it. Beautiful. So I'll be a bit quicker with this one. We're not expecting it to be a winner on the noise front, but it will give you an idea of what your standard mechanical with reds is like on the noise levels. Yeah, you see that space bar straight up into the 60s. Let's go again. I'll let it settle, and then I'm going to go around a bit, sort of random banging relatively hard. Well, I think we were getting up towards 70 there. Actually, quite impressed. It's not that noisy. But noise is important to a lot of people. Not to us. We've got blues in the office here. A quick flash around the office. It's our little display area. That's where the bookkeeper sits when he comes in. We try and avoid him. But that little area in there is my office. That's where I go on this city standy desk. Then cars in the car park. 2 desks there, both vacant at the moment. And Helen's probably going to duck or hide her face as I pan round towards her. And That's the rest of the office, and that's Helen on her blues there. Go on, Helen, give it a good... Yeah, that's a... Have you seen Helen's keyboard? Come on, guys, let's have a little look at this. Isn't she lucky girl? Look, golden Filco for my favourite employee. That's enough embarrassing, everybody. Thank you very much. Hope this helps your decisions on noise. Cheers, guys. Bye.